here is a Gotrax scooter, and as you'll see from the charger, we've got a green light on the charger. You'll have to take my word for it, this thing's been plugged in for a few days now. It is an awesome scooter and it worked great for about 6 to 8 months, and then it just kind of stopped working. I believe the charger is working okay, but I can hit the power button, and no matter what I do, this thing just will not come to life. I was going to throw it away, but I was actually down in Boston the other day and I saw lots of people cruising around with this thing tonight, and it is actually a pretty cool scooter. So I am actually going to try and get this thing fixed. So we're going to start troubleshooting it, and we're going to try and get it running today. All right, now one of the first things I like to do is just to make sure that there's not a fuse that's blown or something similar. So there's a little panel right here that I can take off. It looks like a few small Allen keys will open this up. So I'm going to open up this compartment. It's right by the power button and where the charger goes in. We'll take a look inside and see what's going on. All right, I have removed 2 screws, and they are with an Allen key, not sure which one. Unfortunately, I was looking for a fuse or something simple, but inside the console of this thing, there's really not a lot there. No fuses, nothing obvious that I can change. It's pretty much all circuitry. So I am going to dig a little deeper, and I'm going to see if I can check the battery. So to remove the console, or the steering bars, if you will, there's 2 screws. Again, this is a number 4 Allen, 4mm Allen, and we will spin these off. That'll allow us to unhook the brake cable. All right, there we go. Let's get that off, and we'll get our brake cable out of the way. I should be able to pull this out. There we go. There goes the console. All right, we've got nice access to the battery. Let's check this battery and see if it's still in good condition. I'm just going to slide it back in just to hold on to it. All right, so if I put my voltmeter on I'm going to set it on 200 volts, and let's just take a reading. On the number 1 and 2 position on this battery, it gives me a positive and a negative. So, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm reading 91 volts. So it appears this battery is in good shape. So I'm going to reach out to the company and see what they have to say. Okay, so I talked to Gotrax customer service. They basically said if the unit has power, but nothing happens when you try to start it, you probably need a new console. So $56 later, here's what I've got. Brand new console. Let's plug it in and see if it works. All right, so here we go. Slide it on. I think I felt it go in snug. Now before I go ahead and put this thing back together, I am just going to hit the power button. And lo and behold, I don't know if you can see this from where you are, but I actually have a digital display. Peel that off. I don't know if you can see 0 kilometers per hour. I got a full battery indicator on there. So I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to hook up the brake cable, put the 2 screws back in, and then we'll take it for a spin and see if it works. Just remember, this is a 4mm Allen key. All right, this brake does seem a little loose with the new console, so I'm going to adjust that. All right, so a little counterclockwise twist, and that pulled that out a little bit and tightened up this rear disc nicely. All right, so there you have it. Rather than throw this thing away for 56 bucks, I was able to get a new console. The customer service guys at Gotrax were really helpful, and I'm pretty happy with it. Excellent.